reviving past beauty with classic farmhouse style. In an era where sleek, modern designs dominate the architectural landscape, there's a charming resurgence of classic farmhouse style. This nostalgic aesthetic, characterized by its rustic charm and timeless appeal, offers a refreshing alternative that brings a sense of warmth and history into contemporary homes. Reviving the beauty of the past with classic farmhouse style involves a delicate balance of preservation and innovation, blending the old with the new to create spaces that are both functional and inviting. Embracing the essence of farmhouse style. The classic farmhouse style is rooted in simplicity and practicality. Originating from rural farmhouses, this design ethos prioritizes function, with a focus on natural materials, handcrafted elements, and a connection to the surrounding landscape. Key characteristics include natural materials. Natural materials play a fundamental role in defining the timeless appeal of farmhouse design. From the warmth of aged wood to the solidity of stone, these materials evoke a sense of authenticity and connection to the natural world. In farmhouse interiors, reclaimed wood takes center stage, adorning floors, ceilings, and furniture with its rich grain and weathered patina. Whether it's repurposed barn wood or salvaged timber beams, these materials bring a sense of history and character to the space, reminding occupants of the craftsmanship and durability of bygone eras. Stone is another integral component of farmhouse design, often used for features like fireplaces, accent walls, and countertops. Whether it's rugged fieldstone or smooth marble, the natural variations in texture and color add depth and visual interest to the home. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, stone is prized for its durability and longevity, making it a practical choice for high-traffic areas like kitchens and bathrooms. Its inherent connection to the earth also reinforces the farmhouse ethos of simplicity and sustainability. Metal accents, such as wrought iron hardware and copper fixtures, provide contrast and refinement in farmhouse interiors. These materials add a touch of industrial flair while complementing the rustic charm of wood and stone. From farmhouse-style pendant lights to decorative hardware on cabinetry, metal accents serve as both functional elements and design statements, enhancing the overall aesthetic with their luster and patina. Beyond their visual and tactile qualities, natural materials contribute to the comfort and well-being of occupants. Wood and stone have inherent thermal properties that help regulate indoor temperature, keeping spaces cool in summer and warm in winter. Moreover, their organic origins create a connection to nature that promotes a sense of calm and serenity, making the home a haven from the hustle and bustle of modern life. By incorporating natural materials into farmhouse design, homeowners can create spaces that are not only beautiful and enduring but also conducive to a healthy and harmonious lifestyle. Neutral palette. Soft, muted colors dominate farmhouse interiors. Whites, beiges, and grays create a calming backdrop, allowing the natural materials and vintage pieces to stand out. Vintage and antiques. Vintage and antique pieces are essential elements in classic farmhouse design, adding character, charm, and a sense of history to the space. Incorporating these items allows homeowners to infuse their interiors with unique treasures that tell stories of the past. From weathered farmhouse tables to distressed cabinets and worn leather armchairs, each piece brings its own personality and patina, creating a lived-in aesthetic that feels warm and inviting. such as vintage crockery, old-fashioned clocks, and tarnished brass accents, serve as focal points and conversation starters, evoking nostalgia and adding depth to the decor. The beauty of vintage and antique pieces lies in their ability to add authenticity and individuality to farmhouse interiors. Whether sourced from flea markets, antique shops, or family heirlooms, these items carry with them a sense of craftsmanship and heritage that cannot be replicated by mass-produced furniture. Incorporating vintage finds into farmhouse decor allows homeowners to create spaces that feel curated rather than cookie-cutter, with each piece contributing to the overall story and ambience of the home. Moreover, blending vintage and antique pieces with modern elements can create a dynamic juxtaposition that enhances the visual interest of the space. Pairing a reclaimed farmhouse table with sleek, contemporary chairs, for example, adds contrast and depth to the dining area, while combining a vintage armoire with minimalist shelving creates a striking balance between old and new. This eclectic approach to decor not only allows for greater creativity and personal expression but also ensures that the farmhouse style remains relevant and adaptable to modern lifestyles. Handcrafted elements. Handcrafted elements are integral to the farmhouse style, adding a layer of artistry and individuality that mass-produced items simply cannot replicate. These bespoke pieces, whether they are hand-carved wooden furniture, artisanal pottery, or woven textiles, carry the mark of their makers, imbuing the space with a sense of craftsmanship and care. The imperfections and unique characteristics of handcrafted items bring warmth and authenticity, making each piece a story in itself. In a farmhouse setting, these elements can range from custom-built kitchen cabinets to hand-knitted throws, each contributing to the home's cozy and inviting atmosphere. In the kitchen, handcrafted elements such as a custom-made wooden dining table or hand-forged iron hardware on cabinets can become focal points that enhance the rustic charm of the space. Artisanal pottery, like hand-thrown mugs and bowls, not only adds beauty but also serves a practical purpose, enriching daily routines with a touch of elegance. pieces can transform mundane activities into cherished moments, making every meal and gathering feel special. The tactile qualities of handcrafted items, the feel of smooth, cool pottery or the texture of a woven basket, engage the senses and create a deeper connection to the home. Handcrafted textiles, such as quilts, rugs, and curtains, play a significant role in adding warmth and comfort to farmhouse interiors. Each stitch in a hand-quilted blanket or the intricate patterns of a hand-woven rug tells a story of tradition and skill passed down through generations. Textiles can introduce color, pattern, and texture into a room, making it feel lived in and welcoming. The use of natural fibers like wool, cotton, and linen not only aligns with the farmhouse style's emphasis on natural materials but also enhances the durability and sustainability of the decor. Incorporating handcrafted elements also supports sustainable practices and local artisans, aligning with the farmhouse ethos of community and environmental stewardship. By choosing handmade over factory-made, homeowners not only gain high-quality, unique items but also help sustain traditional crafts and skills. This approach fosters a deeper connection to the objects within the home and to the people who created them. Whether it's a hand-forged iron light fixture or a quilt made by a local artisan, these pieces add character and a tangible sense of place, enhancing the farmhouse style's emphasis on natural, enduring beauty. The result is a home that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also rich in personal significance and cultural heritage. Conclusion. Reviving the beauty of the past with classic farmhouse style is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a home that feels timeless, warm, and connected to history. By blending traditional elements with modern conveniences, you can craft a space that honors the past while embracing the present. Whether you're renovating an old farmhouse or simply incorporating farmhouse touches into your existing home, this style offers endless possibilities for creating a beautiful, inviting space that stands the test of time.